This is the uh, portal of uh, implement agency website, and there are three dashboards. One is I'm hiring. It's a user wanted a person. So if they're hiring the software engineer, web developer, product manager, data analyst, you can just write it down: driver, housekeeper, and product and any medical provider or caregiver. You can change the name here, and then you can just create new requirement, add title, name, company, location, engagement, experience, salary range. For example, caregiver, XYZ, city, full time, 3-year experience, salary 20K, example, basically care, and you will be sending requirement. Now the requirement comes here. Okay, now when the requirement comes here, now overview, submit request, you just submit the request. My jobs, you just put the job. Shortlist, you can shortlist as well by doing interviews and their messaging system. People can talk to you here. Okay, now when you go back, there's one more dashboard, that is I am looking for work. That's for a person who want to provide their services, so they can just explore role, caregiver role available, senior product designer, analyst, product manager. Now they can go make their profiles, they can see the overview as well, and they can see the application as well, they can document as well. If they want to put their CV, they can put the CV as well, skills, experience, email, location. Okay, now there is a third one, that is for you. I am in the agency. That's the admin dashboard. You have the complete access of everything. You see the open roles, you see hiring pipelines and active jobs, talent pool, verifications, placements this month, and then you have a hiring pipeline section as well, talent as well. You have the customer information as well, and you can do the verification check as well. You can verify or reject it as well, and you can track the people by their codes. So this is just a kind of demo of portal look like. When you place the order, we will make a complete mock-up design and website according to your brand, and then implement the portal on it. And you have three dashboards in the backend. User dashboard, that's for I'm hiring. The employees dashboard, that is for I'm looking for work, and the admin dashboard, that is I am the agency. Okay.